Hello and welcome to a very delayed video. Should have been released on the 31st, but it definitely wasn't, as I was admitted to hospital with symptoms of a heart attack. I'm only 31. Turns out I had a collapsed artery to my heart on the right hand side. So yeah, admitted to Derby Royal, NHS, minted. Couldn't thank them more. Got it all done within a week. The operation to put a stent in was done within about an hour, all in the same day. So yeah, so basically saved my life, because I could have continued with the chest pain because it wasn't really that bad. But I could have, I wouldn't be here now. So yeah, massive thank you NHS, amazing job, as per usual. Thank you very much. And on that note, let's get on with the video.
Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn, the greatest YouTube channel ever. If you think that, you're definitely in the right place. So we're going to tackle this ginormous hole, this little hole, and this other little hole. So if you're interested in tackling holes, stay with me. So basically, let's get cutting. Wow. So with all it cut out, the hole has become massive. It's a complicated piece, isn't it? Very complicated, but literally you can get your whole entire arm in there. Yeah. So we all know what the next stage is. Let's get some plates made up and get some welding going. There we are, one hole down. Looking pretty decent. This one to go next. I thought I'd deal with the easiest holes first. Yeah, skimmer filler over the top of that. Never know it was there. Gorgeous. So yeah, so let's move on to this one. We'll see how this one turns out. There's a bit of a deformity there that's going to have to be removed so we get a nice flat piece in there, but yeah. It might actually looks like it's dinted out a bit there as well. Yeah, so that's going to have to be knocked in, but yeah, I'm sure we'll sort it. Voila! Hole number 2 down. I sank this one in a little bit more so that it's a little bit smoother because it's on this right on this curve. So once it's got some filler over it, I can make it a little bit smoother. Whereas that one I try to blend in as close to the surface as possible. We'll see which one works out the best, sunken or as close to being there as possible. And then tomorrow morning we'll tackle the big hole, the ginormous hole. So I'm not too sure which bit I want to fix first. This will be the easiest piece to fix because it just has to have a straight piece coming all the way down here, back into here. It's pretty easy to make that. Again, this bit is quite difficult because it goes in and then flat again. So it's got a little recess and then comes flat and then comes down. All that bit we'll just fill once we get to that. Again, another easy piece to do here. And then I've got to reconstruct this bit underneath just like I did on the other side. So yeah, so it's a pick and choose hole moment. Right, righty ho then. Pal. Oh, that needs some reconstruction there. Look. So that's the earth point for the lights. That's nice and easy to fix, literally. Just get a little hole saw bit and drill that rust completely out, then drill another hole saw bit in a nice clean piece of metal, weld it in,
perfect repair. That's the hard part there, look, because you literally can't go up against it. The end point is about there and there at the bottom. That also needs a piece going that way, which is probably about that much. You end up with a base that will hopefully relatively sit in. And literally just goes a little bit lower down in this bottom corner, but that's fine. It means we've got some room to bend it back up to join across the bottom. But yeah, and that's now literally just got to transfer that to metal. And there we go, from cardboard to metal. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Now we just got to, as we work it in, bend it into the correct shape, and it'll be perfecto. One jigsaw piece down, many more to go. There we have jigsaw piece number 2 down. I think number 3 jigsaw piece is going to have to be this front piece here, followed by this piece here. So yes, the hole is getting smaller. This is what we like. Well, that's number 3 bit down. Looking good. All needs filing down or rubbing down, whatever you, grinding away. So let's hope that 1 panel, 2 panel, 3 panel. Let's see if we can make this 1 panel. I don't think I'll be able to get that little step in, but it's worth a go. So wish me luck. We are totally getting there now. 1 final piece to slide in. Yeah, I had to make this out of 1, 2, 3 pieces because it just was. Well, basically, I had no chance of making it out of 1 piece because I'm not that skilled. So now I just need to make a piece that swoops in here, and it'll be just like the other side. Pretty much like a new. So yes, nearly there. So that's another bit reconstructed and welded in, so that's alright. Solid as a rock. Isn't that amazing? I'd like to thank everybody for watching, of course. And if you haven't already noticed, I've got a Facebook group going now. So if you want to join that as well. It's not only for me to post pictures of stuff, but you guys can post pictures of cars you'd like to own, cars you have got, any projects you've got going on, anything cool. You can post it up. Obviously the link's in the description. It's also on my home screen. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.
leave us a comment, a like, and I'll see you on the next episode of Retro Cars Reborn.